I have an update on the F-Type production, and stay tuned till the end to get an amazing update of what's happening with the F-Type. So earlier this week I actually managed to get onto the Jaguar factory tour, and I'm telling you now, it's absolutely amazing. Definitely go see that if you can. I would highly recommend this, as you actually get to go round the whole production of the F-Type from start right through to the one rolling off at the end. Brilliant. What a great day. I will drop some clips from my visit into my next video I do for the channel, so subscribe so you don't miss it. But in this video I just really want to pass on some very interesting snippets of information that the tour guide dropped on us while I was walking around. So as I'm sure you all know, the production of the F-Type is due to cease very shortly, and we are informed that the last car will roll off the production line on the 21st of May 2024. Now, due to this, one piece of information you might need is that the last factory tour available of the F-Type production line will be in April. So if you are thinking of doing this tour, you need to get it booked now, because there's not much time left before they're going to stop doing the tour altogether. Now, they're told us that the very last car that will be produced off the production line will be kept by Jaguar, because they kept the very first car as well. So they'll be able to store both of them into the Jaguar Museum. So what you might not know is that the penultimate car off the production line is going to be sold off to raise money for charity. This will be the last commercially available F-Type that can be bought in the world. So I cannot really imagine what it's going to raise at that charity. You better start saving. Okay, now for that amazing news. Jaguar are recreating a very, very special edition of the F-Type to commemorate the end of the F-Type era. It's going to be called the ZP, but they'll be making just 150 of these cars, and we are informed that only 10 of these will be available in the UK. Each of these unique cars are being created by Jaguar's SV Bespoke division and will be available in a coupe or a convertible version, and colour choices which are actually based on the colour combinations for two original Project ZP E-types. The car itself will be based on the R75, so it'll be the 575 brake horsepower version of the car, and will only be available in two distinct colours, those being the Alton blue exterior with Mars red and ebony leather, which recalls the car driven to victory by Graham Hill at Alton Park, whilst the crystal grey exterior with a navy blue and ebony leather interior embodies the spirit of Roy Salvadori's win at Crystal Palace. Both options feature porcelain white gloss painted racing style roundels on the doors and porcelain white gloss grille surrounds. The race inspired look is complemented with gloss black diamond turned 20-inch forged alloy wheels, gloss black exterior accents and gloss black brake calipers. Again, I very much doubt I'll be able to obtain one of these cars, because collectors will be snapping these up to stick in their collections. So unfortunately, we'll probably never see one of these on the road. Now, we were lucky because on the day of the tour, as we got to the very last part of the tour, which is where the cars roll off the production line, guess what was rolling off? Yeah, I couldn't believe it, a ZP. So our group was lucky enough to get up close and personal and have a real good look at that special edition ZP. So that was it, guys. That was just a quick update of the status of the F-Type production and where we're at. Better get back onto fixing mine now. Thanks for watching.